Wow, these colors are so good. Love them. Hello my creative friends, welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Tell me, what is the biggest source of inspiration for you when it comes to different color ideas for your paintings and other creative projects? For me, it's always nature. Nature is such an incredible and really unlimited source of inspiration. And every time I'm looking for new color combos for my paintings, I like to look at flowers and gemstones. I also really love coral reefs. But today, I want to try creating a painting with the colors of morning dawn or even the sunrise. So here I have some Prussian blue, red violet, of course some gold for the sun rays. And this one here is a mix of white, red violet and a hint of blue. And I also want to add a small touch of this really bright and vivid nickel yellow, and I'm going to be working on titanium white base. So I want to do a Dutch pour technique, and therefore all of my colors are mixed with just paint and water to a pretty fluid consistency. As always, I will include all the color names, links, and other supplies that I'm going to be using in the description under this video. And in case you're new here, my name is Olga Sobi. Thank you for joining me today, and now let's get started. First I'm gonna add my white. Here is the consistency. You can see it's very fluid. This is the best for this technique. And I wanted to remind you guys that today is the last day our coupon code SMARTJUNE15 is valid. So if you want to grab that $15 off our acrylic pouring online course, all the info I will include in the description of this video. So I want to add my colors sort of a diagonal and blow out to the sides from there. As always, before the blowout, I'm adding a bit more white around the colors, and that helps the colors flow more freely. All right, let's blow out these beautiful sunrise colors. I don't really like this corner. It's just too bright, and I think it kills all the softness of this color palette. Wow, these colors are so good. I love them. Okay, now I like it definitely better. And the magical moment, the finger swipe. A very special touch, literally. Just connecting the composition, I love this effect. So beautiful. I love this flowy composition, and I know when this is gonna be dry, it's gonna be so vivid with all this gold. Colors of beautiful sunset. And I just added splashes of these tiny cells with a torch here and there. I think it breaks those areas where the color is super solid very well. Oh, I love it so much. I'm glad that I changed this corner a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous. A lot of beautiful details, and now the dry result. Soft lines, delicate colors, yet very bright and empowering shine and contrast. I think this painting definitely has that awakening and inspiring energy of first morning sunrise. What do you guys think? And I really love how this almost zigzag shape of the blowout worked out with a very minimal, almost diagonal negative space. I think that looks pretty cool. And by the way, I have covered this painting with a layer of epoxy resin. This is why it's so nice and shiny. And I think epoxy adds those colors even more depth and shine, and I totally love it. All right, my friends, I really hope that I have inspired you to create something beautiful today. So go look outdoors, get some ideas, and let those creative juices flow. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.